AI Energy Manager feature that allows to set electricity bill amount, optimize energy consumption, save big on electricity bill. And you can easily fix your bill by just a tap on LG ThinQ app. For using this feature, open your ThinQ app and choose Connected AC. Next, click on Useful Features button located at right bottom, then click on AI Energy Manager. Make sure your AC is connected with ThinQ app and all permissions are allowed. Here you can see several options like start date, end date, and daily usages. You can customize these as per your uses. You can also set your target energy usages and cooling range low to high. Additionally, choose power range and target billing charges, then save the settings. Now you can see the graph, where you can track how much energy has been used. To delete or customize again, next click on Setting icon, and here you can customize or delete this setting. Here you can see the 2026 updates in Energy Manager. It recommends target electricity usage by studying usage history, along with the flexibility of choosing from 3 options. You can choose recommended setting or customize as per your need.